Hello, everyone, and welcome to this special edition of the WTR Healthcare Happenings podcast. I'm Robert Sassoon, healthcare analyst at Water Tower Research. Today, I'd like to preview two biotechnology companies that will be presenting on day one of our exciting two-day virtual event, the WTR Insights Conference, taking place on April the 14th and 15th. The conference will feature 24 companies spanning 8 sectors. At WTR, our biotech coverage focus is primarily on companies developing potentially disruptive drug technologies that address conditions with significant unmet medical need. Both presenting companies at our conference, Nurexone Biologic and Anixa Biosciences, fit squarely within that mandate, and both their stories are worth putting on your radar. Nurexone Biologic, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the ticker NRX and on the OTCQB under NRXBF, will be presenting on April the 14th at 11:50 a.m. to 12:20 p.m. Eastern. Nurexone is a preclinical stage biopharmaceutical company with a genuinely differentiated approach to one of medicine's most stubborn problems, central nervous system injuries. The company is pioneering a platform built around exosomes, which are nano-sized extracellular vesicles that occur naturally in the body and have a remarkable ability to reach inflamed or damaged tissue. Nurexone's lead program, XOP10, is a minimally invasive exosome-based therapy combined with Cerna, a small RNA molecule designed to enhance regenerative effects while requiring minimal engineering. The therapy is being developed for the treatment of acute spinal cord injury, with additional indications under investigation, including glaucoma, facial nerve injury, and traumatic brain injury, all multi-billion-dollar market opportunities. So why should investors pay attention? There are several compelling reasons. Nurexone continues to build a growing body of robust preclinical data demonstrating strong safety and efficacy, while also achieving key regulatory milestones, including orphan drug designation from both the FDA and the European Medicines Agency, which are helping pave the way for the initiation of phase 1 and 2A clinical trials within the next 12 months. In addition, through its ownership of a US-based master cell bank, Nurexone has laid the foundation to manufacture GMP-grade naive exosomes in-house. This capability not only supports its own clinical developments in a cost-effective manner, but also creates the potential for early commercial opportunities through the sale or licensing of these materials to third-party drug developers, as well as the burgeoning cosmetics and aesthetics industries, potentially generating value even before clinical milestones are achieved for its lead therapeutic asset, XOP10. Anixa Biosciences will be presenting immediately following Nurexone's presentation at 12:30 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern. Anixa, which trades on the NASDAQ with ticker ANIX, is a clinical stage immuno-oncology company tackling cancer from two distinct angles, therapeutics and prevention. The company is currently advancing two clinical stage programs, both addressing large unmet oncological need. A breast cancer vaccine designed as both a treatment and a prophylactic, and a novel CAR T-cell therapy for late-stage ovarian cancer patients. So why should investors pay attention to Anixa? Well, the company offers a focused, high-upside cancer immunotherapy story with two differentiated programs. Its ovarian cancer CAR T therapy is showing encouraging early survival data and meaningful progress through dose escalation, while its breast cancer vaccine has met phase 1 endpoints with favorable tolerability and safety and strong immune responses targeting the most aggressive form of the disease, triple-negative breast cancer. Both programs are approaching key inflection points in 2026, with preparations underway to advance the vaccine program into a phase 2, and continued dose escalation underway in the phase 1 CAR T program. Importantly, Anixa has achieved this progress through a lean, partnership-driven business model that preserves capital and increases strategic flexibility as the data sets mature. So to conclude, the Nurexone and Anixa presentations each provide an opportunity to hear two different under-the-radar stories. one focused on regenerating the nervous system after injury, the other on harnessing the immune system to fight and prevent cancer. At the same time, both represent the kind of bold, early-stage science that defines the biotech opportunity. To join these presentations, all you have to do is register at our open access website at www.watertowerresearch.com. If you want to ask questions during the presentation, please enter them in the chat box, and we will address as many as possible in a follow-up email or within our forthcoming management series reports. Meeting requests with management can also be done through the conference portal or our website. I hope to see you there, and thank you for subscribing to the WTR Healthcare Happenings podcast.